In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all files from Google Drive at once. We'll use Google's official export tool built right into your account settings. Start by opening Google Drive and heading to My Drive. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles. This ensures you export the right files. Next, look to the top right of Drive for your profile picture or initial. Click it, then choose Manage your Google account. This takes you to your main account dashboard where all privacy and data tools live. From here, go to the Data and Privacy section. You'll find it in the navigation menu. This area controls how your information is handled and includes tools to move or back up your content. Scroll until you see the option that says, make a copy of your data to back it up. Click that. This opens Google Takeout, the service that packages your data so you can download it. On the Takeout page, you'll see a list of Google products. Google Drive is included here. If your goal is to download everything from Drive, you can proceed without changing anything. Click Next Step. On this screen, you'll see settings for delivery method, frequency, file type, and file size. The default choices are designed to work for most people, typically a download link sent by email, a one-time export, and a zip format split into manageable sizes. If you're not sure which to pick, the defaults are fine. Larger Drive accounts may be split into multiple files, so they're easier to download. Now click Create Export. Google will begin collecting your files from Drive, compressing them, and preparing your download. This can take from a few minutes to many hours, depending on how much data you have. You don't need to keep the page open. You'll get an email when the export is ready. Keep an eye on your inbox. And remember that download links eventually expire, so try to download your archives promptly. When your export is ready, you'll see one or more archive files to save to your computer. Make sure you have enough free storage for the download and extraction. If your archive is split into parts, download all of them for a complete copy. After downloading, you can open the .zip files to access your folders and documents just like you would any other files. That's it. By using your Google account's data and privacy tools and Google Takeout, you can gather and download all your Drive files at once safely and efficiently.